Intro. Real talk about anti-aging products, the flood of expensive skincare options and why natural alternatives like coffee are becoming increasingly popular. Why coffee, the secret ingredient for youthful skin. Dive into coffee's hidden powers, caffeine, antioxidants, and its ability to boost skin vitality and elasticity. Quick science behind coffee's anti-aging powers. In simple terms, how caffeine improves blood flow and helps fight free radicals, key factors in reducing signs of aging. What this coffee hack promises. What viewers can expect from trying this coffee mask: smoother texture, brighter skin, and reduced puffiness, all overnight. DIY coffee mask recipe. No fancy ingredients. A simple recipe for the mask, using basic kitchen ingredients: coffee grounds, honey, and yogurt or coconut oil. Step-by-step application for best results. Detailed instructions on mixing, applying, and massaging the mask into the skin to maximize benefits. Make it your own. Add-ins for various skin types: aloe vera for hydration, lemon juice for oily skin, or a drop of essential oil for fragrance. How long to keep it on? Why 10 to 15 minutes is the perfect duration to let the coffee and other ingredients work without irritating the skin. Gently rinse with lukewarm water. A gentle rinse to avoid skin irritation and ensure coffee granules don't scratch the skin. Post-mask glow. What to expect? The immediate sensation of tighter, softer, and brighter skin, making it clear that results improve overnight. Prepping for bed. Lock in the benefits. Suggest applying a light, fragrance-free moisturizer afterward to seal in the goodness from the coffee mask. How coffee targets fine lines and wrinkles. How the caffeine in coffee temporarily tightens the skin, helping to minimize the appearance of fine lines. Why it works for all skin types. Coffee's versatility and why it's gentle enough for different skin types: dry, oily, sensitive, or combination. Common questions answered. Potential facts, like whether instant coffee can be used, or if there's a risk of staining on light skin. Things to watch out for. Safety tips. The importance of doing a patch test for those with sensitive skin to avoid any unexpected reactions. How often to use it. Using the mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results without over-exfoliating. Natural results versus overnight miracles. That while the mask does provide an instant glow, continued use will yield the best anti-aging effects. Before and after encouragement. Viewers to take before and after pictures to see how their skin changes and to track improvements. Personal take. Why I love this hack. Share your own experience with the mask, how it feels, the changes you've noticed, and why it's become part of your skincare routine. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.